Alright, change your alternator. If I can do it, you can do it. Bought a new alternator on Amazon. Disconnect. You only need to disconnect one, but I went and disconnected both battery terminals. Now I need to take out the old alternator and put the new one in. Man, we got this. Let's just start taking stuff off. Here's something. Looks like an electrical connection, so I'm going to take this bolt off. Take this off, slide off the electrical and put it down. It was a 10mm socket bolt. Let's unplug this. Now I had to use pliers to pull this off. Hopefully I didn't break anything, because then that's a whole new story, but hopefully we're okay. This may be the original alternator. I'm using a 15mm to get this bolt out. It is a pain in the ass. I need to put the phone down. Alright. Do this. I need a cheat bar. I don't have one. I can't get these two damn bolts off. 15mm. They're like melted in there. In my freaking pants. I have an update. I used a hammer to try and pull it out, and it severed this hose, spraying coolant all over the place. So I give up. I'm going to the shop. Fortunately, it snapped off the radiator itself. So instead of being a non-issue, it's now it's not a $100 problem, it's a $250 problem. Job well done. Please don't watch any more of my videos. That's the tip of the day. Thanks. Now that I've broken the radiator, I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut this hose to try and fit it in where the radiator shorted off. Okay, so now I cut the end off. So now it's not long enough to even reach the radiator. And I also forgot about radiator flush, which is going to need to happen. So we're looking at about $500 for this alternator replacement. And that's how you replace the alternator.